The second-generation Auris has been around for almost 8 years, and that means a replacement is in order to keep the compact hatchback fresh and competitive. We've been posting spy shots of the new Auris/Corolla IM since the end of June 2016, and now we are about to see the C-segment model in its full production glory. Toyota has also announced the Auris will mark the premiere of a new hybridized 2.0-liter engine. In a separate press release, the company talks about how the new gasoline 4-cylinder dynamic force engine relies on a more efficient combustion process and benefits from a variable control system. Thanks to a higher thermal efficiency, 40% and 41% in hybrid models, it generates more horsepower and torque while meeting the more stringent exhaust regulations. Output stands at 169 horsepower, 126 kilowatts, at 6,600 RPMs and 205 Newton-meters, 151 pound-feet, of torque from 4,800 RPMs in cars powered exclusively by the gasoline engine, whereas in hybrids output is rated at 144 horsepower, 107 kilowatts, at 6,000 RPMs and 180 Newton-meters, 133 pounds-ft, at 4,400 RPMs. Toyota will host the world debut of the new Auris on March 6 at the 88th Geneva Motor Show, where it will also have the refreshed Ego. In addition, the Concept I Series and Fine Comfort Ride Concept will get their Euro debuts, while the highly anticipated Super Revival will be previewed in race car form.